Good morning, traders. Hope everyone's doing well. Happy Sunday morning. Well, happy in some places. Right, okay, let's have a look at the price of the Bitcoin. Before I do that, I just want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I provide signals or anything like that. All my TAs for educational purposes only. You need to do your own research. Okay, now they've got that shit out the way. Let's have a look. So if you look at my last video, I did say we were probably going to hit that naked point of control, which we did tap into perfectly well. That can be found in this video here. I gave you the levels. It was very easy to understand where to short and where to long. Although, if we look at the price action now, the actual bounce that we're getting here, it's really an algo bounce. It's not really I don't think this will be sustainable. We may make it back up to the value area low and reject from there. For us to see continuation to the upper levels, we need to get acceptance back in here. We need a really two 4 hour candle closes where we can sort of crawl our way back up to the point of control and maybe get rejected there. We do have a lot of fair value gaps here, inefficiencies, but we also have this low here, which was June the 5th low, which hasn't been taken out, so we may get rejected, come back down. But as mentioned in my last video, I am really got my eyes on this level here, which is the anchored VWAP. So I'm not going to go into too many political things. I just look at the charts and mainly order flow and sort of other data as well, like on the blockchain and other things that I look at as well. So let's just have a quick look at this. We do see 1, 2, 3 candle closes. Well, that's not really a candle close, is it? I mean, it's not really a solid candle close. Now, I know some people on the internet were saying that, where was it? That this was a wickless. No, it wasn't there. Let's have a look. Yeah, so here it is. Some people were saying at 103. This is yesterday morning, 103 400. This is a wickless candle, guys. It's very simple to understand. This may look bullish, yeah. It's a trap. It's a trap. That's all it is. And if you're part of my VIP group, we identified this yesterday for the traders that were trading yesterday, and saying this is a trap where the market maker is manipulating and pulling the stacks as well, is manipulating the price by pushing it up and selling on spot. They already knew that they were going to sell here, yeah. So our traders did take advantage of taking a long scalp here, but we're already in another short around this zone here. So we did actually know that this dump was going to happen. If we have a look at this, this is actually a level 1. Sorry, this is a level 1. This is a level 2. We're expecting a level 3 dump now. At some point anyway, maybe something will happen, you know. Tensions. I don't want to go into that. I just want to. I just look at other data. The data that I look at is what is the market maker doing. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about the news. I don't care about other traders. I don't care about James Wynn or whoever this guy is and going long here, that, or influencers. I look at bids and asks, which is very, very important because this is an auction place. It's very simple to understand this, guys. You know, you can make a lot of money in any asset, whether it's altcoins, BTC, gold, silver. So yeah, do take advantage of that Telegram channel, because currently it's free, providing you, well, if you click on the link below, we'll send you the instructions, cost nothing. We do give live setups, and we do have AI running in our setups. Sorry, not in our setups. We do have AI running in the background. I can't go into too much of what the AI does, but there will be a video coming out, and it's going to be pretty amazing. I mean, we have AI agents doing certain things that can actually tell us or predict, you know, what was going to happen here. Hence why I gave this signal out. Not signal. It's not a signal, is it? I gave this information out yesterday morning on my day off, okay, in the gym. I gave this signal on Telegram. Signal. I keep saying signal. I gave this information in the gym saying, guys, be careful. The pushes up, yeah, are only to lift the price. Is to lift the price. Is to confuse you, manipulate you. But they are selling aggressively. Do you understand? And when we came down, when we were here, I think this was about, well, yeah, 4 o'clock, I think it was. I actually gave a second information on Telegram saying dump coming, load up on those shorts. So if anybody did take any, uh, well, my group did take trades here and they're all in profits right now. Am I looking for long positions? Not really, no. I'm not looking for shorts, not really, no either. Because what will usually happen is we can probably get Tokyo to squeeze the shorts back up. We could make it all the way back up here and reject, but I don't think it's looking that pretty at the moment. I would entertain long positions, and this is a day trade, guys. You're not going to go to 300k. I'm only going to entertain a long if we, and that's going to be a very tight stop loss, like a zero point 0.4 stop loss, and it's not the best trade. We may make it back up here, who knows, or we may make it back to the 50%. We want to take this candle here, look at the 50% level. What other why would I take this trade? Well, first I want to take this trade when I see some buy pressure, and we're only going to see that in Asia if it's going to happen. Yeah, buy pressure is not bids and asks. Buy pressure is something else. Yeah, never get that confused. Buy pressure is actually measured in delta and various other formulas that are put together. It's pressure, a bit like a cooking pressure. So we want to see buy pressure here. We'll also want to see some activity on the blockchain, which our AI agents can actually monitor. But more importantly, I want to see the depth of market. So at the moment, the order book is a bit light. I want to see the tape do what the tape normally does on BTC. This is actually, I do train people on this, students on this, on how to read the tape correctly and the depth of market with the footprint, so you can take accurate trades. When we say accurate trades, you can actually take very aggressive trades. A lot of people ask me what leverage. Leverage doesn't matter. Yeah, risk management does. You will always know what you're willing to lose on a trade. But when you're actually scalping the DOM, especially on a New York session, it's very, very profitable. And a lot of people don't talk about the tape, this tape, because they don't know how to read the tape. Yeah. So me as a developer understands this. Do you understand? So that just if I removed the the DOM, and let's say I'd never had this screen, I could actually trade just by looking at this. Looking at no charts, no order flow, no footprint, no DOM, just a tape. Just this tape you can trade off very fast. And there's a strategy that I teach where you can trade off this, scalp off this, and we're not just talking about Bitcoin, we're talking about any asset, yeah, where you can actually trade off the tape alone. Institutes, professional traders, trade off the tape. They don't look at candles, yeah, they look at contracts. Even when we look at order flow and say Excel charts, it's good, but there's a different way of looking at it in Excel charts as well, which, if you do my Excel charts webinar or personal training, you'll understand all trades are accurate, in and out, fast, even for swings. There is a video, I think one of the first 3 videos that I uploaded a few months back on my YouTube channel, which actually shows you how to, well, you're probably not going to understand it, but it does give you a live demo of how to trade the tape and the DOM itself. Right, enough of that. Let's just have a quick look at something that I want to see. So we did fill the single prints that I was talking about on X. And if you're not following me on X, I do give updates on X. Follow me on X here, where I was talking about single prints a couple of weeks ago, and it looks like we have come back and filled them, which means you could have been in a swing short. So let's have a quick look at this. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't look very, very pretty, obviously. So quick look. Okay, I see. Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt a long here in this position, in this price range as well, if we come back into this price, but it will be a very aggressive long, based on some some things I can see on this screen, which I can't see at the moment. It may happen in Asia. Let's try something, guys. So it's actually in this price range. I gave the announcement yesterday saying they're lifting the price, and you can see that here clearly. Okay, so we did swing fail that. You know what, guys? I'm going to take a quick little scalp on BTC. We do have a lot of algos working on here. Right, so I have taken a starter position, only a 0.35 position size on BTC. I'm looking to add um, in this area here because I do see that we are trying to make our way back into value area low. We may we may get pushed up to the PLC. I am trading on BITUNIX. Very, very good exchange. I love um, their UI, their customer service. Been using them for a while. Very, very good. Now, there's a link for BitUnix underneath. It's a non KYC. You can use it in Canada, America, wherever. So if you do click on my link, you'll get some extra benefits. Also, you will be eligible to join my Telegram channel free, where I share knowledge, teach a bit of order flow, provide some free indicators, live setups, and scalping live New York sessions. So you get all of that free. Contact me below and check out this exchange. They are a sponsor of the channel, and a very, very good exchange, to be honest, in my opinion. The UI is amazing, doesn't break. If you look on the bottom here, stable network. I've used other exchanges where this just, well, what can I say? It breaks, you know. So yeah, I'm going to be holding on to this position. I am looking at some altcoins as well, like Hype, Sui, but I'll be making a separate video, and I will be taking those trades on BitUnix as well. So yeah, check out the exchange. They are a very good exchange. The links in the description. And if you've got any questions, you can ask me. But yeah, we seem to be definitely. Let's just have a look at the chart again. Yeah, we may get rejected here, but we may get a push back up. I'm going to definitely add to my position if we get more buy pressure and acceptance, because I'm only targeting the PLC or 50% of that wick. But if we do get some buy pressure back in here, and we do make it above, I'll be adding to my trade as well. Currently, I don't have a stop loss, but I will be putting a stop loss on this trade um, because I want to add to the trade underneath us. So it's a startup position. Um, so this is the reason I haven't used a stop loss, and I'll add margin to protect the trade. I am looking at other levels, and maybe this will turn into a swing position. I am looking at other levels as well, which are going to be 99,878 and 103,400. So we'll add some here, add some there, and add some here, and I will definitely add some here. And I don't care if we come down, because I want to put some limit orders in this zone here. Let me just mark that off actually, in these zones here. And if we do lose 90k, well, then I got wrecked. Simple as that. But highly unlikely because I am short, as you know, from the upper levels, and I did take another short yesterday as well. So yeah, that's really the update. I will be doing another update tomorrow on BTC. Quick look at Ethereum. On Ethereum, we we did hit my buy zones, and I am taking those Ethereum trades over on PHEMIX. Links in the description. If you do actually, want a PHEMIX account with no KYC, please contact me directly, and I can assist you with this. So we did get these orders filled. I'm still looking for lower prices around the 21.50, and I will hold this as a swing trade as well. One thing I do want to mention on my VIP channel, I did give this setup yesterday. I said if this happens, this will happen, and Pax Gold will move up. Although we don't see the futures market being touched because it's closed, but this is crypto, so you can take advantage of gold. And I will be doing some more gold at TA because I do trade gold and I do trade this asset as well. So if you want me to do more TA on Pax Gold, please let me know in the description below. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.